The Photoshop video tutorial is Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly create a polka dot brushstroke. Now, first thing to do, just quickly go over to View and New Guide Layout, and I'm going to go for, I want one there and I want one there, so I want a 4x4. I could go by a 6x6, etc. So click OK. I want to make it fairly small for this point. Now, next thing to do, select Ellipse tool, and I'm going to go for shape. Got the fill there as blue, and I'm just going to apply shape. Hold the shift down so you can actually, and you can do the same, but you can also just hold down the link, Alt and Option, and duplicate that. So straight away, just drag that across to there. Do the same there, drag that down to there. But like I said, you can go over to there and create another one. But it's just as easy just to hold the Alt or Option key and just create it like this. So basically what you want is one there, and you want a gap. And you want a gap there, a gap there, and a gap there. So you've got this alternating design. Again, hold down the Alt and Option, and again there. And then just to finish it off, just go over there. Now you can, of course, just define that as a pattern as well. You can actually say define pattern, and you can see the pattern design there. But I'm going to just go to Edit and Define Brush Preset, and you've got polka dot brush there. Now, what you can also do to create somewhat slightly variation, I'm just going to select that one, and what you can do, just go there, but I want them to be blues, so I'm just going to go, say, a darker blue there, select that one, that blue, and I'm going to go select that one, and I'm going to go down to the here and select a different blue, click there, again, select a different blue, and so on and so on. So now what I've got is a polka dot design, slightly different, and obviously I might do that one as well. So select that. Now you can then define that as a brush preset. Click OK. Now I'm going to remove all that because I don't want it now. I've just defined that all, and I can then go to the actual brush itself, and there you can see the brush down there, and you can set the colour obviously to orange, and you can apply it there, or you resize it, resize down, you can see you can apply polka dot design there. Very quick and easy. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.